Hey guys, so this is just a little bit about my journey. I'm pretty new to the digital marketing space, but why digital products made so much sense to me when I was considering to getting into the online space. So I've been trying for years. I've done affiliate marketing, network marketing, selling lotions, potions, and pills, services, making a list of my 100 friends and family, and spamming them and sending them my link. I didn't want to do that anymore. It felt horrible. I did not feel good about it at all. And if you're like me, you still have that dream of being an entrepreneur, of having time freedom and financial freedom, and maybe someday replacing your 9 to 5, or just using that additional business as additional income stream, which is what I'm doing now. So I didn't know anything about digital products. I just kind of wanted to share what I learned, exactly what digital products is, and why it's really the best way for newbies or beginners in the space to utilize to actually get a business going. So plain and simple, done for you product is exactly what it sounds like. Someone has created the product for you. So now these can be anything, anything online, anything downloadable, anything you can send via electronics, like email, or where they can go and click on something and then download it electronically. So for this is a digital course that is downloadable that I have access to, but I was able to learn exactly how to build an online business. So I didn't have to spend a lot of time trying to create something, which working 9 to 5, I didn't even know where to start. And how do I even know it's proven? How do I test it? So that was a couple of my questions once I learned about digital products. So it's something that's already designed, it's already built, and it's ready to sell. It's ready to go. So all I had to do was focus on promoting and marketing to potential customers. So that seems easy enough, even though I didn't know anything about that part either, but I learned that through this digital marketing course, because it is specifically for folks who want to enter the digital marketing space, either with their own products, or it shows you how to test your own products, how to get an idea for a product that you might want to share with others. So it just takes you right from the beginning, if you don't have any knowledge of anything like I did, all the way to actually building out systems to automate while I'm working full time. So really these products are an really great starting point for beginners. If you're looking to either create an additional stream of income or eventually replace your 9 to 5 job. So for me, the biggest thing was skipping the hard part. The hard part would be coming up with something that I create on my own. I didn't have to spend any months creating, designing, or testing. All of it's been done for me already for a proven product. It's ready to sell. These products are professionally designed and ready right away for immediate selling. So that really was attractive to me, because it would allow me to be able to start generating income instead of trying to do everything right from scratch. This product, again, one of the other questions I had on it, is it proven? Have the funnels or sales pages been tested? How about the emails that the templates that you guys are providing? Have they been tested? The answer is yes and yes. So in the community that I belong to, I'm able to talk to people who are provided testimonials on their background, similar to me with trying other businesses and why they've been so successful with this digital marketing. In fact, so much that our mentor, who's been in the online space for over 16 years, pivoted her business to specifically sell this one digital product that I'm talking about today. That's how powerful this product is. Even people who've been in the industry for that long saw the value in it enough to kind of just really take a look at what they're doing and how they can do it better. So really all I have to do right now in this business is just focus on promotion. I don't have to worry about, again, creating. My job is to market the product, share it with my audience, and help others see the value in it too, and provide opportunities and solutions for them as well. So it gives me the chance to focus on building relationships and learning how to promote online. That's also included in the course as well. I didn't know anything about that either. Again, The old school method was build a list of 100 friends and family, send everybody, go through your contacts in your phone and spam them your link. So, okay, let's say they do go to your link. There was nothing for me to capture their information, to keep in contact with them. Some folks aren't ready to buy right away, but that's why you have that email list and constant kind of just send emails to them. And then we learn about what kind of emails you want to send to them and what are they looking for. Are you providing the solutions to the problems that they have? So my problem was finding additional form of income that wasn't going to take away from my 9-to-5 job, and that I knew that I could scale and that would work for me with automations in the background. I did not need another job. That's not what I was looking for. I don't have the time for another 9-to-5 job. So this product is this digital product that I'm promoting has been proven, and it works. And it takes you through all the steps of setting everything up. So kind of an example that I kind of related to is like, you know, in my other video I talked about, you know, I had a store at one time, a brick and mortar store, and how digital, you know, online businesses are way different from a brick and mortar. So, but the illustration I want to talk about here is a bakery, because I love to bake, I love to cook, I love to eat, but that's another subject. So let's say, you know, I wanted to open a bakery, but instead of making everything from scratch, you know, I wanted the fresh bread, you know, and the cakes and the cupcakes and the croissants and all that stuff. But instead of doing that, if somebody approached me and said, hey, listen, Toni, I already got the bomb recipes, I've got it down. All you need to do is open a bakery and I will provide you all the products. All you need to do is invite people in and start selling. The cakes are already made. The bread's already made. All you need to do is focus on letting people know how great all my products are, all these products are, and why they should buy from you. And then you get to keep 100% of the profits. I don't know about you, man, but that's a pretty sweet deal, right? The heavy lifting's pretty much done, and all I got to do is convince or share with people or find out what they're looking for and see if I carry it in my bakery, right? See if I have enough cookies, enough bread, enough cakes, or whatever folks were looking for their sweet tooth. That's all my job was, promoting them, telling people about where they can find these delicious treats, right? And then I get to keep all the profits. So that was really huge for me. You know, when I did some affiliate marketing, there's always a percentage that you're giving back to the company all the time. This wasn't the case. I get to keep 100%, and that's huge for me. That's huge. I can't think of a better deal than that. So again, these products are done for you products that was super attractive to me. When I sell and promote them, I get to keep 100% of the profits because I bought the rights to sell it, and anybody who buys it from me, I can turn around and do the same for them. So if I wanted to duplicate it and open up another bakery, I could do the same thing and offer somebody the same thing where they get to keep 100% of the profits. Digital products, again, done for you digital products, they just jumpstart your online business with minimal effort. You don't have to create anything from scratch, which can be very overwhelming. When I even considered that, I was thinking about, God, what am I going to talk about? How am I going to brainstorm? How do I test it to make sure it's even something that fills a void somewhere in the audience of the billions of people on YouTube, right? This product has already been developed, tested, and optimized. All the funnels are optimized. So I just need to start promoting it to start selling it. So this is a great time saver. You're bypassing those months of development time, and you can just focus straight on the marketing and selling once all your automations are set in place. So I really kind of feel like I have a cheat code. It's a way to fast track to an online business. And you can get a head start in the online business world because you are utilizing these done-for-you products. Instead of taking you 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year, really, to figure out what product you want, how you want to present it, what are the needs out there, and test it in the market, it takes away the barrier of product creation and saving time. Those are huge. If you're working 9 to 5 and you have a family, there's so many barriers to just getting started. First of all, it's a lot of what goes on up here, but that's another video. But also just think about, now I got to create the product too and then I got to figure out how to sell it. That would be a hard stop for me. There's no way, that I would be able to do that. And the best thing about it too, I was concerned about the risk factor. Okay, so I'm investing in something. How do I know it's going to work? What's the risk involved for me? So this digital product already has a proven track record, and that was huge for me. It's already been proven. So it really, reduces the risk of failure when you're beginning. There is there's definitely a learning curve that you have to use. But if I was trying to promote an untested product with my newbie mindset of not knowing how to do it, I wouldn't know if it was the product itself or if it was Toni and the way she's presenting it, right? So this eliminates that factor right away. And it does give me the confidence, which is crucial when you're getting started. So it's giving me the confidence. I know this works. I know that other people are having success. I know that I'm having success, and I'm looking forward to greater success. So that just gives you all the confidence in the world. It's kind of like, if you work at a 9-to-5 job and the company's shady as heck and you're in sales, you don't feel good promoting anything. Fortunately, I'm not in that situation. I love the company I work for. I love the service we provide. But for most people and other jobs that I've been through, that's the case. It just felt icky, right? So there's none of that that's going on here. And really, the other factor, because of it's already done for you, I don't have to focus again on who likes the product or if the product's working or if I need to tweak something in my product. No, it allows me to just focus on learning the digital marketing and sales, content creation, especially for my platform here on YouTube. That's what I focus on. So I don't have to worry about that anymore at all. It never did, because it's already done for you. What I learned through this course was high income skills. Part of those high income skills also include marketing and promotion, and that is really crucial for long-term success. If you're like me, you're looking for something that's going to be stable, that can eventually replace your 9-to-5. But in the meantime, you don't want to keep hitting hiccups because you're using something that's not proven, or it does not going to give you the ability to use it over the long term, or that's constantly changing because of just the dynamics of what's going on in the economy of the world, right? So all that's already taken care of, and all I need to do is develop those other high income skills, which I can totally give my 100% time to. So the things that you would work on was creating content, building an audience, and then just optimizing my sales funnels, and these are things that will definitely help to promote my product. So that's what I get to spend my time on, is actually where the money-making part is. It has saved me so much time. I can't believe that how much time I would have had to spend to create a product like this or similar to this, and just the costs also. We discussed that earlier. So it's very affordable, this product, and it's very time efficient. The way the modules are set up in the course, one module builds upon the other, and they're just like 20 minutes, 15-minute segments, sections in each module. So I would just pace myself. It's self-paced. You can exit at any time. I would sometimes, dip into it on the lunch break or something, and then utilize my after hours and weekends to build out my systems. And now, right now, I just focus on content. I just focus on promoting. I just focus on things that I can do better to really serve my audience. For people like myself who are looking for a solution, there's so much noise out there, and it's so easy to get caught up and get that shiny object syndrome. Oh, this looks easy. Oh, let me go there. I was a victim too. I spent so much money doing that. Not anymore. Not anymore. I totally learned the correct way of doing it. And also with this product, one of the things that was really important to me was having supporting resources. Places I could go to ask additional questions, having the community in case I didn't understand them, or things weren't coming together the way I thought they should, or if I had everything's new, right? So you're going to have questions. So being able to have the tools and support to help me, you know, to hit the ground running is what I was really looking for. Okay, now I'm going to set up. Now what are my next step? What do I need to do? So that's what's also included in this this course as well. So it does help to eliminate that stress of not having, you know, that net, you know, for us new folks, and who can we talk to? Where can we go to have these questions? So it's definitely designed for the beginning, you know, entrepreneurs. So, you know, again, the Done For You products is really, I recommend it highly. It's really the best way to get started if you want to jumpstart your online business without the hassle of product creation. That's definitely what you want to look into. And then later, if you wanted to create a product, well, you already know how to do it because it's already included in the course. You just go back to those sections, you just review them, implement them, you know, and then you're good to go. And, you know, the one thing that I did is I took action. When I saw this product, and it just made so much sense to me, I took action because it was a proven product. Low risk, time-saving, immediate opportunity that it provides once you get it all set up. So when I got started, I utilized the payment options available, and now I'm able to offer those payment options because I learned how to set up that page, that payment page that gives you the options like Afterpay, Affirm, Klarna, where you don't have to just a big chunk coming out. You know, you can pay it a little bits of the time, which made it so much easier for me because I was investing while I was learning. So it was great. So I just want to tell you guys, if if anything that I said resonated with you, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and also check the comments below for my link where you can go to my website and learn a little bit more about this wonderful digital product that I'm so excited to share with you today. All right, you guys, have a great day.